This is the unboxing of the Grenaro wireless microphone which I ordered from Amazon for 750 rupees. So this is the single variant. This is the OTG which goes into your phone. It is a C type, and this needs to be charged. This is the mic which is clipped to the collar. So it comes with a wind proof cover, the one that I'm currently holding, and there's another one also in the box which I forgot to record, and you long press it to turn it on and the green light will blink. I have turned it on and there's a green light and I'm speaking through this mic. Now I will move it away and I'll say mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. I'm turning, pressing it once again. So light blinks once. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Pressing it once again. It blinked twice, so that's level 2. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Pressing it again. Blinked thrice. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. I'm turning it off now. Long press. Now this is without the mic. Mic test 1 2 3. I did not notice much difference in the three levels because I'm indoors and only the fan is on and the window is closed. But I stay right next to the main road, but on a top floor, but still the echo sound does come of the honking in my house. But with this mic, I can't hear that, and I think you can't hear the fan also. Maybe because I'm indoors, it is not making much of a difference, the three levels. But outdoors, maybe I'll test it outdoors also and see how it works, level 1 2 and 3.